Welcome to EPG Pathshala. I am Professor Mohinder Chand, Department of Tourism and Hotel Management, Kurukshetra University, Kurukshetra. Dear students, today we will discuss on the subject Tourism and Hospitality, paper, travel agency and tour operations, itinerary preparations and tour package designing, module 15. Upcoming trends in travel agency and tour operation business. Let us discuss the learning points. After completing this module, students will be able to understand upcoming trends in travel trade, travel agency business, identify the impact of trends on the future of travel agency business. Now, let us start the introduction. Travel industry has become world's fastest growing industry in terms of revenue generations, foreign exchange earnings, caterings, millions of tourists, regional and local development. Interesting, every year numerous players have been entered this vast industry. Every year millions of people approach to travel agencies to provide them with holidays to all corners of the world. Many travel agencies are expanding their services models both in terms of number and quality to cater more and more tourists vis-a-vis to enhance their market share. However, travel agencies are at a competitive disadvantage with regard to suppliers, direct websites where hotels and airlines are able to control seat availability and price. Thus, diversification in activities and functions is a need of ours to survive and sustain in a volatile business environment. In this module, learners will explore how upcoming travel agencies emerged and how these will face challenges in the tourism industry marketplace. Let us discuss the trends, upcoming trends in travel agency business. Today, emerging business environment at global level offers numerous challenges and opportunities to further grow and expand. The management of any organization is to analyze the drivers for change in the business from the touristic point of view and at developing scenario that will help travel companies to prepare for the future. Challenges on the other hand, travel companies must understand structural changes in the tourism industry and should design and develop functions in the future as well as competencies needed to succeed. The travel agency must always be up to date regarding the current trends in the field of tourism and hospitality industry functioning. They must also know about the best and the most popular places of tourist interest. Travel agents have accumulated knowledge, expertise and contacts with providers of services and is a useful and sometimes invaluable intermediaries. Even the travel agencies in the tourism industry have to realize it is more important, comprehensive, competitive and with the use of e-tourism, they have to adjust themselves by creating new tourism areas to build up their image and to be a more attractive and develop different type of models. Moreover, travel agencies and tour operators, they are going to avail knowledge of different destination resources which have to be social benefits with improvements in infrastructure, conservations and promote more responsible tourism. The following are the main upcoming trends in travel agency business. First trend, new travel business environment. Travel agencies are at a competitive disadvantage with regard to suppliers. Direct websites where airlines are able to control seats availability and prices. Travel agencies face many systematic threats in terms of continuing to grow their businesses. The empowering of travelers with online booking sites and the flow of destinations information is available online through different sites like TripAdvisors, and they have gained various types of informations about how to stay relevant their clients. Recently, travel agencies and consortia have been looking at ways to both bringing younger workers into the business and ensure that older travel agents have the marketing ability to remain relevant in the uncertainties created by the environment. Second, millennials. Recently, new developments in the tourism industry have changed in the typology of tourists, that is the millennials, has emerged a largest generation in the history by beating our baby boomers tourists. Millennials, the youngest generation, well emerged as leaders in the tourism industry, having disposable incomes and proved as vital portion of clientele size in the market. It is important to note here that the younger generations will take their own decisions. Thus, when millennials will plan their travel and will have their options conveniently available to them, they want to be able to research and book their trip and tours online. This has changed the products line as well as the business models of many travel agencies in India. Next, female independent travelers. According to the latest survey of TrackSoft Trends Reports 2017, 80% of travel decisions are made by women. Today's female travelers are bold, independent, and looking to explore new experience. They have their own way to identify and decide the vacations. In 2014, 72 of the American women took a solo adventure tours. The report further forecasted that this number will double in the next few years. The travel agencies have focused on this big market segment. Interestingly, it makes up a massive portion of potential clientele, especially when it comes to millennials and baby boomers. Thus, the travel companies have to diversify their products and services. Providers will have to ensure safety and security for solo female travelers. Next, travel agent, a big consortia in travel industry. According to American Travel Survey 2016, 19% of the travelers used an agent in 2016, up from 13% in 2013. This increase has happened at the same time as the widespread move away from traditional travel agencies towards the working as independent contractors, usually joining up with a bigger consortia for training, marketing tools, and access to better travel services. Next, emerging new business models. According to travel agents, industry forecast for 2016, the travel industry has seen some of the most profound changes in modern business, and it has taken just 3 words to emerge new business models. Airbnb represents consumers assuming total control of what has traditionally been left to the experts. Skyscanners using online tools. Customers are empowered to search for deals, book their tickets, and prepare their itineraries from the comfort zone of their founder. They identify the rooms. These technologies have empowered tourists like never before. Yet, as the old proverb goes, with great power comes great responsibility. Moreover, these 3 platforms have transformed the way we think about domestic and international travel. However, they do not ensure without bearing and reflecting a broader change in how tourists are empowered to get what they want when they want it. Here, the travel agency model persists, and those who see its digitalizations as an opportunity, not a threat, are flourishing. Travel agencies have to explore new business model in the changing travel industry and have to safeguard their services for years to come. In fact, travel agencies have always leveraged personal services as a selling point for their business. They collaborate with suppliers, the travelers, in crafting a trip that is tailored to tourist wants and needs. They also leverage their existing personal relationship with suppliers like hotels and airlines to deliver this package to the tourists. Next, food tourism. Food tourism has become an emerging trend among travelers everywhere, and tourism experts have taken notice. A rising interest in native food traditions and high altitude cuisines are just a couple of culinary advantages on the horizon for 2017. Food tourism has gained mechanism importance in the recent years. Tourists are attracting to focus new tourist areas to attract to gastronomy of tourism. Accordingly, with food so deeply connected to the origin, this focus allows directly to the tourist to generate various types of demands, etc. According to Skipped UK survey 2016, food experience are not limited to simply dining out. It includes cooking courses, farm focus, and the classical food markets, which make up about 95% of total market. Therefore, the cuisines of the destination is the aspect of almost importance in the quality of the holiday experience. Next, responsible tourism. Globalization has imposed numerous challenges on the environment, and these changes affect all of us. Today, more travelers are aware of the impact of their experiences on the planet Earth, and as a result, more are opting for sustainable measures in their travel. According to UNWTO, Secretary General 2017 has been appointed the International Year of Sustainable Tourism by the UN as a unique opportunity to advance the contributions of the tourism sector to the three pillars of sustainability, economic, social and environments, while raising awareness of the true dimensions of a sector which is often under-evaluated. Thus, this has focused to promote sustainable form of tour package. Even travel and tourism industry professionals should expertise great shift in the mindset of travelers everywhere. They will be more interested in the environmental, economic and social impacts they are making at the destination they visit, and are likely to support companies that embody these values. Moreover, travel businesses with a strong awareness of the impact they are with benefits greatly from their already established ecotourism practices, and will need to develop a strong social focus to sustain for long period. Business tourism trends. With the changing business environment, practices, management, operations, strategies and clientele size, the organizations have become more conscious and more sustainable over the globe. Business tourism has emerged in new dimensions in the product line of tour operators in the industry. International trade shows and conferences attract hundreds to thousands of delegates from many countries. Tourism and convention planners often include tourism and for delegates, these events may include city tours, golf and sightseeing as a regular part of their conferences programs. A recent study by the National Golf Foundations in the United States found that golfers more frequently and stayed longer than non-golfer tourism in the efforts to fit golf into their business trips. Business travelers strengthen their stay or look additional business trips in order to golf while entertaining clients. Recently, growing number of business travelers bring families on business trips. Some hotels have introduced programs for children with divertisement product related with the children's sporting activities, and some hotels often offer merry pop lines including trainers, nanny to take children on sightseeing trips while parents are working. Next, the travel agency business mix. Today, the travel agency business mix has changed many folds. For example, a typical travel agency in the India making 75% of its revenue from the leisure business has seen its business mix change over recent years. Indeed, most of the travel agencies try to reduce their reliance on year tickets sales. They are consistently moving towards non-year booking. Recently, industry trends indicates that travel agencies diversifying their business lines to other travel segments like resort sales, cruise sales, etc. This development is very clear that the year ticket sale were not the main component of travel agency sales, whereas tour package sales exceeded year sales figures 45%. Next, personal digital mobiles. The personal digital mobile has brought a revolution in the mindset of tourists. Every tourist has his own smartphone with different apps helping him to find out more options in the travel industry. Interestingly, due to ongoing technological advancements, the explosion of new customers, interaction channels and changing customers' behaviors, most of the travel companies require a new set of essential business enablers that will be vital to achieve future success. Of course, integrated information system will determine the next best offer for travelers by cross referencing travel, holidays, hotels and food searches and so on. They will use predictive measures to make original suggestions tailor-made to the protected prices, pieces and different type of travelers will receive personalized information during traveling from different areas. They also help to gain different type of data. They will tell travelers when to leave, how to deliver and where to park in order to be time for their flight. Innovations in transportations. Innovations in any field have brought a remarkable success and transportation industry is no exceptions in this context. The future trains will set a lot faster, whether it's based on hyperloop, steel tube or air flight, vacuums, tube. Technology traveling from one city to another city has never been easier or faster than this time. Further, commercialization of flights to outer space will become really in the near future as versions area for the many transport companies. Technology will also show potential to shorten interconnections flights. Moreover, door-to-door transportations without the need for roads, new ways or other operating systems areas. True flying cars will lack any visible means of lift, which allows them to be operated in urban areas and close to buildings, people and other obstacles. It sure sounds like science fractions what progress to already being made. This will be a miracle in the history of transportation and travel industry will have to cope with such developments. Next, the growing independence of airlines. This is an era of tremendous competitiveness and every business is looking for new business models to sustain and grow. Airlines have been suffering huge losses since 2011 and they are searching new approaches to gain and sustain. The amount of commissions paid by airlines have a direct impact on corporate travel buyers. This is because travel agencies usually pass their commission receipts on the larger clients. The clients have in turn effectively treated the fees as a subsidy for their travel management programs, with the profit remaining even after paying the fee. Many airlines have been forced to cut distribution expenses, petrol costs to recover the operating losses in different areas. In terms of distribution cost, airlines are employing three different strategies like reduce GDS fees and progressively find agreements with the global GDS. This intermediation go direct and bypass the established distribution chain by developing their own websites and reducing or removing commissions paid to travel agencies. Thus, the decisions to cut travel agencies' commission clearly shows that airlines wanted to decrease their reliance and dependence on travel agencies as a distribution channel. This has also forced the travel agencies to identify different area of their operations to show their presence in the changing business environment. Next, greater traveler independence. Today, most of the travelers want to travel independently. In fact, tourists will enjoy isolations and explore more and more untapped areas. In certain parts of the world, travelers are keen to get out and explore with a little independence. They are savvy enough to know what they want and how to get it, and no longer need to have everything arranged for them. This attitude of tourist self-drive tours will have to reduce the reliance on travel services providers in the industry. The travel agency will have to explore new products, services to attract this emerging traveler independence. Decreasing customers' loyalty. Customer loyalty plays an important role in the quality of travel agency product vis-a-vis satisfaction of tourists. Many travel agencies are still operating in the market with the repeat clients. The customer's loyalty plays a pivotal role in the future success of travel industry. Every travel agency wants to win clients' loyalty to sustain in the competitive business environment. With more holiday bargainings on the internet than you can imagine, along with a host of small agencies and big hitters, the attention of potential travelers. Loyalty is a rare thing in today's market. Thus, every company has to offer something original, authentic, and worth returning to the tourists. They will have no problem taking their business elsewhere. Next point, the rise of sharing economy. Today, sharing economy is the need of international integrations, collaborations, and international relations beside international peace and harmony. Obviously, potential travelers are certainly not short of options when it comes to researching and arranging their trips. Today, a tourist has more deals, travel agencies and services offering than you could ever fully consider. Shopping for travel services has become about cutting through the noise rather than discouraging something authentic. The massive competition in the travel industry has been the mechanism for many bold claims, and it may well be that travelers appreciate the authenticity of peer to peer services more. Travel agencies have to add value additions in their product and services to cater this market segment. Next, trained human sources. Travel operators usually attend courses or training programs that are related to product development, sales and marketing of tourism services and customer services. These are popular training programs that are aimed at improving sales and services level operation. Unfortunately, programs that requires some analytical knowledge or the applications of quantitative techniques do not seem to be favored among the travel operators. This gap, however, has to be addressed in order to assist the travel operators in understanding the impact of economic environment and to improve their decision making processes. Too many players, many mid-sized travel retailers are flourishing in the cities and towns all over India. They cater mostly for outbound travels in northern India. These travel retailers specialize in religious travel, mostly for religious packages, and since the region has a majority pilgrimage destinations, there is a perception that this is a lucrative travel market segment. Unfortunately, there are too many travel retailers for this market segment. Next, the cost of travel. Today's highly unpredictable and competitive environment is having a profound impact on the travel industry. The increase of fuel prices had prompted airlines to impose a fuel surcharges in addition to the airport charges. These additional charges had further increased the cost of travel. As long as the price of the remains stable, airfares are expected to remain flat in 2017. Hotel rates, meanwhile, are pegged to rise by 5 to 10%. Look for more interest in customized private day tours as mid-market client. Realize the value of sightseeing itineraries that match exactly what they want to see. Next, choosing destination based on a culture. Special offers. Today's travelers choose destinations for a number of reasons, including special offers from accommodations. A survey report reveals that globally 50% of travelers say they have visited a destination because of the culture and the people of the specific country. 3 in 8 travelers, 40% have chosen a destination because a hotel had a special offer or package. TV tourism is on the rise. 1 in 5 global travelers have visited a destination because they saw it on a TV show. Globally, 63 of travelers said that air conditioning is must have been choosing a place to stay. That makes it more of a deal breaker than breakfast, almost 40%, or a swimming pool, 26%. 46% said free in room Wi Fi is a must. Have amenities, meaning that if an accommodation did not provide it, they would look elsewhere. 26% of travelers said that they required an accommodation that has super fast Wi Fi. 11% are willing to pay extra for these services. 59% of travelers visit destinations due to having eco-friendly environment, including local population. Let us discuss the summary. The only certain in the travel industry is that uncertainty will remain supreme. The travel industry currently leads the world in Internet of Things. Spending and the ramifications of this moment are still emerging. Moreover, it's clear that consumers will be empowered to achieve most of what agents can by themselves. They just won't be able to do so as accurately, as quickly, as economically, or with as tiny excitement as travel agents can. However, a handful of travel agencies have proven that there are still instances where travel agency can find a travelers an even better one. Many traditional travel agencies now have full service websites so that travelers can get the best of both benefits: convenience of self-service online booking with the benefit of talking to a real person when travelers need to. Typical travel agencies are moving towards a new concept of consortia. Consortia are group of independent travel agencies that come together and negotiate preferred rates with hotels in order to provide better rates for their clients than others. Competing agencies, due to the changing trends in travel agency sales to end consumers sales, the internet's independent travel agencies have joined consortia to stay competitive within the industry. Thus, the travel agencies of tomorrow must be armed with the most powerful travel management technology available. Moreover, this module has highlighted many new upcoming trends in travel industry and suggested measures how to convert challenges into opportunities. Thank you for watching EPG Pathshala.